Hello, Hillcrest students, Oakland students, and readers around the world. It's Mr. Pabst, and from a rainy day in Lisbon, welcome to my read aloud. Today I want to read a book that is about being stuck with your family, but learning to make the most of it and loving them anyway. So let's read Mother Bruce by Ryan T. Higgins. Mother Bruce by Ryan T. Higgins. Brought to you by the kind people at Disney Hyperion. Bruce was a bear who lived all by himself. He was a grump. He did not like sunny days. He did not like rain. He did not like cute little animals. Bruce only liked one thing: eggs. He collected them from all over the forest. There he is, sticking his head in the tree, saying, "Good morning, Mrs. Sparrow." But Bruce didn't eat eggs raw like other bears. Instead, he cooked them into fancy recipes that he found on the internet. One day, Bruce came across a recipe for hard-boiled goose eggs drizzled with honey salmon sauce. So he went out to get the ingredients. First, he caught a few salmon. Then he collected honey from a local beehive. He liked to support local businesses, you see. Last, he went to Mrs. Goose's nest to pay her a visit. Are these eggs free-range organic?" At home, Bruce prepared the eggs for hard boiling. But the fire in his stove fizzled. So he went out to get more wood. When Bruce came back, he was met with an unwelcome surprise. "Mama!" Uh-oh. Bruce became the victim of mistaken identity. Bruce wanted hard-boiled eggs, not goslings. He supposed he could settle for buttered goslings on toast, but for some reason, he lost his appetite. Bruce scooped up the little geese and stomped back to their nest. "I will have to ask Mrs. Goose about her return policy." Only to find Mrs. Goose had flown south early. "Be back in April, Mrs. Goose." Bruce left the goslings there anyway and went back home. But he was followed. "Mama? Mama?" Bruce was very stern and said things like, "Go away," and "I'm not your mother," and also, "I liked you better when you were eggs." Bruce could take it no longer and became extra grumpy with them. It didn't work. Goslings always follow their mother, even if she is a he and he is a bear. "Mama? Mama?" No escaping those goslings. Bruce was stuck with them. Tried to make the best of it. It was hard work. Oh gosh, what a mess. Blech. Ew! Yuck! Ooh, nothing worse than yucking somebody's food. As the seasons passed, Bruce watched the pesky goslings grow older. Annoying baby geese become stubborn teenage geese, become boring adult geese. Then, one fall afternoon, he saw other goose families flying south. Finally, he'd be rid of those geese and he could take a long winter nap. Bruce explained migration, but they didn't listen. Bruce needed the geese to leave, so he got creative. Huh, slingshot. Nothing worked. The geese would not leave Bruce. So Bruce decided to pack some bags and take his geese into town. They boarded a bus and migrated to Miami. Now, every winter, Bruce and his geese head south together. They laze about at the beach in tacky shirts, sipping ice-cold lemonade, while Bruce dreams of new recipes that don't hatch. Mama? Uh-oh. All right, that was Mother Bruce by Ryan Higgins. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you're staying safe, washing hands, and staying home.